Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix if keeps vibrating on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone. Just click on hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings and click on reset. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if keeps vibrating on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.